Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have been getting so many DMs and requests on how to stop acne and breakouts. This is something I get all the time and I know it can be so hard for so many people. Nobody wants to deal with that. I get it. But there is no one straight answer for this because everyone's skin is different and everyone is different. But there are definitely reasons why your acne hasn't cleared, and I'm going to show you guys ways on how to fix it. So here are a few questions to ask yourself. Is your skin constantly breaking out? Is your acne staying around? Is your skincare routine not working? If you answered yes to any of these questions, this video is made for you. I've also teamed up with Thursday Plantation to share with you guys my tips and tricks on how to reduce the appearance of blemishes, acne, and pimples using a consistent skincare routine. Also, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. All right, let's get started. One of the biggest reasons why your acne isn't going away is because you don't have a consistent skincare routine. When it comes to acne and breakouts, I love using the tea tree oil collection from Thursday Plantation. It's also the #1 natural brand for acne-prone skin in Australia. You guys know how much I love a foam wash, and this one is amazing because it doesn't strip the natural oils away from your face. It feels lovely on the skin, and when you rinse it off, there's actually a very soft feeling on the skin, which I love. Great for people who have acne-prone and blemished skin. Now I'm gonna rinse and pat dry. My skin is already feeling smoother and softer. Next up, I'll be using the Thursday Plantation Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Toner. I can't stress enough how much witch hazel and tea tree oil together can help reduce the look of blemishes, pimples, and breakouts. I soak 2 cotton pads and apply this all over my face and neck. One of the new products in this collection is the tea tree and Manuka honey clay mask, which I am so excited about because it has 100% pure Australian grown tea tree oil, which helps draws out impurities. It has natural kaolin clay, which absorbs and controls excess oils, and it also has Manuka honey, which helps soothe the skin. I'm going to apply this mask in a thin layer all over the face with a little face brush and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And when it's done, it's going to turn this light gray color, and that's when you know it's ready to rinse off. My skin felt so soft and smooth after I removed this mask. I can already see a lit from within glow after using it, and I love that there are only natural ingredients that are great at cleansing acne-prone skin in this line. Next up, I'll be using the Tea Tree Face Cream, and I've used this one before and love how it is so great on the skin, especially when it has a balance of macadamia oil, rosehip oil, and shea butter to restore the skin's texture. Another reason why your skin may not be clearing is because you aren't spot treating your blemishes. Sometimes certain breakouts need more concentrated treatments, and that's why this medicated gel for acne is great. It's ideal for whiteheads, blackheads, pimples, and acne, and all you want to do is spot treat those areas that are breaking out. Another new addition is the Tea Tree Cleansing Bar, which is great for the face, body, and hands. I just put this in the shower, and it's great for any acne or any blemishes you might have on the skin. And that's why I love Thursday Plantation. It's an effective and more natural alternative with no harsh chemicals and no animal testing. Another reason why your acne may not be going away is because you haven't tried the hot and cold method. Mama Chiu has always taught me to apply a hot compress first and then a cold one after. This helps with inflammation and also gets the blood flowing in the skin. You haven't introduced vitamin C into your skincare routine. It can actually help with acne scarring and reduce the look of blemishes and breakouts. Another is retinol. Sometimes adding a retinoid can help reduce the appearance of acne and pimples while reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles too. Another huge reason why your skin hasn't cleared is because you might have not cleaned your makeup brushes. They contain so much bacteria and a lot of nitty-gritty things in there, so try and clean them once a month. Stress plays a major part in our skin. We all get stressed. It's a normal part of life, but too much stress, worry, and anxiety can cause a lot more harm than just a breakout. It's not good for your mental health either. So remember to take time in for yourself. Read a book, do something that makes you happy, even if it's one small thing a day. One of my favorite books right now is The Comfort Book, and it's great for de-stressing and just getting your mind in a nice headspace. Another huge one is food intolerances. Dairy and greasy foods can exacerbate acne, so try changing up your diet. Replace dairy with plant-based milk or opt for healthy snacks throughout the day to avoid reaching for junk foods. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful in preventing and hopefully getting rid of acne, blemishes, and breakouts. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!